Snap unembarrassing
So we'll torque it up
Milwaukee.
with the snap on. We'll run it for 10 seconds. We'll read what the gauge says, write it down on the board. We'll loosen it with Milwaukee. We'll see how long that takes. And then we'll tighten it with the Milwaukee, write down the gauge reading, and then loosen it with the snap on to see the time difference. Let me just get this snug here. You're gonna have to watch it. So at 50, I'm gonna start. So there, we stop. 10 seconds. 340 foot-pounds, 339. I'm gonna grab the Milwaukee, we're gonna loosen it. Got a full battery. And at 25 seconds, I'm gonna start. So 15 seconds to loosen it. Tighten that back up. Still got a full battery. Now we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to give it 10 more seconds. At 55, I'm going to start. So we're at 201. And I'm going to loosen it. We're going to time it. You saw how long it took for the first roll. So at 30 seconds, I'm going to start. 2 seconds, just under 3 seconds.